Hello friends, welcome to Quick Clear. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to simplify the following. So cos square alpha minus sine square alpha over cos alpha plus sine minus alpha plus tan minus alpha cos minus alpha is equal to cos alpha. So you have to prove that by simplifying this left side. So what you are going to do first, you have to simplify this one, the top one. So this means cos alpha minus sine alpha times cos alpha plus sine alpha, right? Sine alpha. Then this one, the bottom one, the denominator, you simplify it, cos alpha. Sine minus alpha is equal to sine minus alpha is equal to minus sine alpha. So you have to make it here minus sine alpha plus this one tan minus alpha is equal to minus tan alpha, right? And cos minus alpha is equal to cos alpha. So this will be positive, this will be negative. So what you are going to do, just it will be minus tan alpha times cos alpha. So that means cos alpha minus sine alpha, cos alpha minus sine alpha, you have to cancel this one, then this will be cos alpha plus sine alpha minus tan alpha times cos alpha. So this will be cos alpha plus sine alpha minus sine alpha over cos alpha times cos alpha, because tan means sine over cosine, then this will be cancelled. This will be cancelled by this, so it will be cos alpha. So it is correct that when you prove it, this one, the same with this one.